think all my stuff is the same. You don't sound bad. I'm just saying you're not top shelf like you usually are.
Well, I'm on the mobile. Does that count?
You did what?
I'm on the mobile.
Oh, well, that might be the problem. You're not on the big, kahuna.
The big kahuna looks like yours. Hey, I saw an Echo on eBay for sale.
Saw what on eBay for sale?
An Echo like yours.
Well, I already got one. I don't need another one.
I'm just saying, dude.
I love my radio. I've got like 2 or 3 other base stations around here, and hey, I like them, but man, this Galaxy SSB Echo, it's the one for me.
Yep, I understand.
Nothing fancy.
Have you heard from Hawkeye today?
No, I haven't been on here much today. No, he probably doesn't get back till later, but anyway.
Yeah, I don't know. Have you seen which way this storm's going? Is it heading toward us or going to bypass us? What?
I have no idea. You'll have to ask the weather boy. I mean the doughboy.
I don't know. Doughboy knows everything. Doughboy, is that storm coming our way?
Doughboy, what's the storm doing? I mean, Doughboy gives a better weather report than the Weather Channel.
Oh yeah, you want to know something? Doughboy's on it.
Doughboy knows everything's going on in Kingman. So what you been doing today? How you doing?
I'm doing okay. Got my sister visiting from Florida, and been hanging out with her.
That's great. That's wonderful. Wow. That's a cool thing. Yeah. My grandfather used to live down in Orlando. I remember when I was a kid, we went down there for a couple of weeks. My parents took us down there. I'd never seen orange trees. But, oh man, it was hot as hell down there and humid as hell. But no, that's good. That's a great thing. She's up here visiting you. Wonderful.
Yeah, I think Hawkeye's better, but she's not available, so no crying.
I was looking at my 1911 today. I got it out on the table right now, but when are we going shooting, me and you?
I don't know. I want to so bad. I got a buddy that's got a Mini 14 that he wants to come out and shoot too. And he keeps on asking me, when we going to go? So we just need to set a date, since you're retired, I can go, and he doesn't work, so he can go anytime.
Well, I'm not working, but we should do it some morning. I don't want too many people. I mean, you, maybe Riverside Man, me, and whoever your buddy is, but yeah, that would be fun. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to put a couple of mags through my AR, but definitely bring my 1911.
Well, I told you I got an AK, and when you want to do that, maybe Riverside Man, and your buddy. I want to get a lot of people out there, but yeah.
I don't know